Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making gnocchi with choux paste. I have a medium pot, and in it I have 1 cup of milk. To this I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, and 4 tablespoons of butter. I have our milk, butter, salt, and pepper. I'm going to turn the heat to medium high. We'll melt this all together. Turn the heat to low, coming to a boil. That's exactly what we want. Add 1 cup of flour, just stir it all together. Now we want to incorporate eggs into our paste one at a time, and we'll stir it in with the wooden spoon. It's a lot of work to incorporate these eggs with the wooden spoon, so don't be afraid to cheat and use your hand mixer. Now we're going to add the cheese. 3/4 of a cup of shredded Gruyere and 1/4 cup of Parmesan. To make our gnocchi, I have a pot of simmering water on the stove. I'm going to take my paste, I'm going to squeeze a little out, and I'm just going to cut little gnocchi. I want them to be about 1 inch long. After they've cooked for about 2 minutes, I'm just going to use my strainer, carefully pluck them out, drain them well, and put them on a baking sheet. I have a baking pan. I'm going to quickly butter the bottom and sides. I have my gnocchi. Just going to put them at the bottom of my baking pan. I have a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese. I have a little bit of extra Gruyere. And these are ready to go under the broiler. I have some of our gnocchi. Let's give it a taste. The gnocchi are nice and tender, creamy in fact, and oh my, so cheesy, delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make gnocchi with choux paste. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.